Jolly Julie Jacola Jaga. Yeah, it's Paul out Jaga. I guess a chin Jaga. Kintana Mashona Jaga. Yeah, I feel like a plaga.
Hey, ola device tabanana ka morao ka moo.
Yeah, so we did for Shoza. And I was drunk. I mean, it's a for Shoza. Yo, na lo shebella batho ba ba jive go la photos. Ke batho ba tsa le thawe jwang le ngola pina. You write this and that, Babon. So gatekeeping ya Free State in fethu is serious. It's serious to a point that the artists tsa ka kwa le bona se ba dula ba le relax ba tseba ha di re September ho ya kwa ha ba tlo re phone la bana ba Free State di gig re tlo di thola ka mo. We met. I didn't like Afrotonic.
Right.
But he knows anyways. Not that I know I should let's podcast. So I didn't like him.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Kolko's Finest. I'm your host, Stay. My fashion, I don't put my fashion, and today we are joined by Gugu Feto. Finally.
Yo.
How that is sound different. Ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you?
Ke voice say right. Ke no re o holetse Soweto. Background nyana yele then you came here to atwa. Pulo ya hao ne le jwang?
It was a normal upbringing. Ke hlahetse Soweto, go Orlando East. So at the age of 11, 12, then Katla Mokwakwa. Came to school with my Fubel Khola tutor. So I had a normal upbringing, just like any kid in the ghetto. Nothing happened, but I was not used to the environment more and the language, cause Neki was solo. So I just more people are speaking Soto and that's just but I got what you singing at Zumbunyana. I want to like I'm also Tamil. What you hello peace?
Oh, no, it's a good
Yeah, I had a normal upbringing just like any kid.
So now, since you're only musician, I think this thing started with Olymia. The taste how your music, how to Olymia, and the taste you.
I make mamela disco. Before disco, yeah, make mamela disco, R&B, soul, jazz, wabo. Yeah, cause like mamela Bushade. The Stylistics, the Manhattans, Teddy Pendergrass, Enigma, yeah, and then jazz. Kimamela bo Mebu Simhlongo, Miriam Makeba, yeah.
Yes,
yeah, like what was
the jazz is not too much like
yeah.
Nakonzeo.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, music will evolve like every year. There's always something in Chai efihlang, you know.
So the changing of environment didn't affect passion ya music.
No, it didn't, because you in the long run you must learn. Okay, when I genre so getting fashioning, probably in 10 years, 15 years to come, honale etlo intang, you know. Yeah.
So what was the reason?
Before nakong tsa kgale, before disco music ke music ono binwa ke bo Brenda Fassie. I'm your weekend special. Maybe talk about disco. Then before disco, there was bo Kofifi music. Yeah, so the genre started in Tana fashioning jwalo. After disco, then wa kena bo kwaito. After kwaito, I can have a new age kwaito, I can have a gqom. After gqom, you have my piano, and now there's 3 steps, there's Afrotech. Yeah, so musical saludula o evolve out le bana.
So nto o bona ke a bona le batho ba kena music no ka Sesotho vale ne ke so
lona sentse ke le montate dipere di a matha o no ema nqeng e no, I sing amapiano, I sing jazz, so I'll stick to that. Sometimes you'll starve wa. Yeah, you must change with times in faith.
So music mona ho ke business yo.
It's business.
Follow what's in the
Not really, but you do what works for you, you know. I can't sing Mino Sotho like what is Mayana. What you found Spanelli. I've done jazz before Kekanama piano. Nekipina jazz. So why I was introduced to deep house, Afro house. Then Kaizazona. Along the way, I get about Afro pop and soul. Why until we can am a piano. I didn't want a piano. I get even tutsi jwang mara. The land tutsi kana maybe in the little entertainment man about our he can na. Yeah.
So what was the reason moving from Soweto to Kwatwa? Abatsi tisa bapunzi ba kuma plus.
Ba ke Lesotho. Ana ke na ntho re khabathanyo ya ba re tswa Lesotho via Sesotho sa rona qapudiso ya rona. Ntha ba tse. Ana Sesotho sa rona sa Lesotho se di ba ka utlwa sa Lesotho ba tlo
Sena na ke lingos.
Sa rona sena le bo drip nyana, sena le bo African nyana. Sena le ntwane.
It's
So spicy.
So what was the reason moving from Soweto to?
It was my mother's parents never trying to run a little dikgwebo, and nkgono wa ka mme wa ka, she got very sick, so we had to move from Soweto to Kwakwa a tlo hlokomela mme wa hae. So my dad was like, nah, easy. But my dad would do more to get Slemo because he's an interior designer. So as an interior designer, back then, that's not clientele e sharp. So clientele was that side. He had to go back to Jozi. I love Pushan because before that he was an Orlando Pirates player. Yeah.
So when you come from a nice family, we can say pushing.
Yeah, na ataka ki push it on without my father's fame, my uncle's fame, Menzingubane. You know Menzingubane, right? Sibusiso Dlomo. Ayana lumitaka Sibusiso Dlomo. Go generations. When up to a hello now. Yeah, but keep pushing it ataka without my father's family, you know, my cousins, my uncles. Keep pushing it because nanta toka na sabatli ke bile. Nadula actually industry entertainment not Ayoba. blind.
So now, what inspired you or motivated you who started a music journey and we started only at what age?
Journey music ke startile skela wa tseba. Ke startile skela, startile ke bina bo choiring, then one thing led to another. Tse ke bina kai tala bo di group nyana tsa music. I started with hip hop, ne ke le rapper. Then after rapper and I was a dope rapper. I sing bo rapper nyana no. Ne ke rapper, ne ke di lahlela punchlines tsaka was cause le batho ne ke hotseng ke ba mamela ne ke nka inspiration from bona. And then I grew up after grade 12. I started ke etsa bontsho tse serase he body jazz. Ke etsa body jazz ka bona ga etse di spanela cause ke hola as a vocalist ke ithuta ntho tse ngata. Then I stayed in Canada for a few months. Ne ke le for a vocal training go University of Concordia. And then like Canada, like bad. Ka sia bo Drake kwa.
Oh, tshitse.
Ya ke tshitse. So kana ka travelanyana ka fihla bo UK. As ke bile UK like motho ka zambo a month or two extra hopola and ke le ko Birmingham le teng it was still to the vocal trainings. And then the company receiving more was Yamaha ke bona bana ba sponsora company etsang di musical instruments. I actually entered a competition for me to find myself there, that side. I entered a jazz competition. So I won. Then I was numero uno. Imagine trainer. So we left. Unfortunately, I had to come back because my parents didn't know that I traveled. My dad was very strict. Nasa batle into the zabo music. Re robalala ba shemane mo ai khutla. Wa bona ke batlo wa bona la joa mo ke batlo ngwana ka tlo bina ke batla ke no ba ngwana na a binang wa bona. So ke ketsa dintho ka manganga. When I got that side ka be ke gula. So the company la tla me go re inghutsetse ke tle hae. But I loved the experience. The experience was amazing. Because ke thutile ntho tse ding tse excited tsebe ka bona bo di superstar bo Will Smith bo rena le bontate Hugh Masekela bo ba re ke mankan bontate Vusi Mahlasela ke di veteran tsa khale tsa jazz.
But when you were in grade 12 I think you had like career doctor
lady na batla ke be fashion designer because she's a fashion designer and natse ba vele ke rata sedwahlo mara jwalo nna ne ke batla ba a beauty therapist but then ka khona persuade toro tsa ka ya sekolong sa beauty then ka ba pregnant ka first born ya ka ka khutla ka mo hae kwatwa ka kena sekolo ko kwetlisong then ka tsa N3 N4 N5 N6 ko FET. Then after that let me focus ngwana sa le moholo. Let me focus on hore ke build up career ka jwang ke qala jwang ke tsang. Then I met my old school friend Bakadi, and then I introduced to band by phone me man remale band monana re dlala di katara di drum set di eng we need a female vocalist wa bona and nna ke nahanne wena wa bona cause ne ke bina lena from school. Then I was like good I'm available plus ne ke re ke zamanya no sheba hore nka skene bo starting na ke khutlise life ya ka wa bona. Yeah, then we qadile mo we had a band ne bitswa ka hore ke under construction. So ne re bina soul, afro pop and jazz. Yeah, so sale ke na le bona until nna ke bona hore I need to take route ya ka because janong remember le ka ba band mara vision ha e be one wa bona vision ha e be one o mo lo mo shebile ba tla pusha nomoro ya hae wa bona. So I decided let me take my route ya ka ke le mong ke bona hore ka se sebeletse na. I did then ka qala ka bina hebo deep house, afro house, what then I met Afrotonic. Yeah.
But before more, the genial you over pregnant to this thing, but Babana Blabana, Emu Balakam Tolaka, when how did you manage to go through that stage usual? Parents, I'm sure the parents they are because now they fear.
Yeah, obviously, hoba pregnant, hopefully, family shebile when after grade 12. O shebwe ke bo malome bo ragadi di cousin ba re batla o bona hore hantle o wela kae o tsalang ka bophelo ba hae wa bona. I got pregnant but hey ka ska give up ka ba ka re ke khutlele sekolong o le dira via ya skela nna ke tla sala le ngwana wa bona. Yeah, the support system from my mom it was great. I disappointed my parents, my family. My life had to go on.
So it was before your UK?
No, it was after UK.
It was after?
Yeah. Kila mo kila mnyani. Pela katila skolo kila mnyani I think I was 16 and then... Yeah. Not really, nah. Nix because I didn't even pass my matric.
Then you went to
yeah, I had to upgrade and then kaya beauty, kaya music, then kaya the business studies. So I got FET.
Now how did meeting with Afrotonic came about?
No. Let's get the Afro house, deep house, ne. Then I met DJ Post na rata kopana studio nglena ba tla fela tlo ichilela tlo mamela ntse re etsang lena mebitholo o tlo re has ntho tsa di set tsa hae tsa lo di dlalang wa bona. And then it was like hey man Gugu hona le this guy wa ka super na le ntwana nyane ngwe ya ka super so e ke batlang ho kopanya le yona mara o Bloemfontein mara o teng hae no o sa khutlile o sa le hae. Okay wetsa eng wa bona o tla wetsa bo di Afro house bo eng wa bona. I'm like okay. So atla le the other day we met. I didn't like Afrotonic.
Right.
But he knows anyways. Not that I know Rasha podcast sister I didn't like him. I don't know why but energy Mesa yeah wa bona ke nana energy sa rona di letsa matcha ha ke qeta o tla staff sa setsang le nna qeta o tla voice like fesu re tsedeng wa bona. So ntselang tshena off go rona etsa gqom wa bona. Yeah, ona etsa gqom emnate wa bona. Na etsa gqom ke tlo bina jwang na gqom ke tlo bina gqom ke tlo qala ka ya ke etsa gqom. So I'm listening to bo babes so do mo bo tipsy ke o kon ke tro ke cheke batho ba Durban ke tlo ba etsa music. I'm like batho ba rap na me vocalist ke tlo fita jwang mo. So for Hloza was a gqom track 100 before it became Amapiano. It was a gqom track. So after that we recorder some technical problems. I don't know whether system like crasher or something. No, after recording the project. So ka kala ka borea mo bona di producers tsa kwakwa spana ba qadile spana le bona Janong talk say dia crash blah 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 wa bona. That was 2017. I met Afrotonica 2017. Then 2018 ya feta. Rana ra tsa project nyana tse ding le ena, then wa bo club this other project ya yona mapiano. Ga etsa ya mapiano ene ka mojwetsa ka khathi mapiano mfethu. Nna ke bina jazz ska tlo ntloela hampe. No tla tlo nkinya nthong tsa bana ke le mkana kana wa bona. Like no sister tja tseba kwena fela motho a ka etsang ntho e ke e batlang wa bona via o la mamela my lyrical content the way ke ngolang ka teng. Oh sister le ntle ke le ntsweng bua bona, and then hi sister ona le pina e ke batlang o tlo kena ho yona ke eng ha ke mapiano ke re wa bona o kene mapiano na yo ha ska tlo ntloela hampe wena. Nna ke bine mapiano no ska tlo ntloela hampe ke tlo jazz ke tle no o tshwana le re ke tlo sentene ke lo dula Soweto yo bona no ke tlo dula kwa ba bona wa ba khathi ke monta tem dimana mpatla teng nna ne ke sa tsebe wa bona. Yeah, so we did for Shoza and I was drunk. Ane ke tsa fohloza yo ke na lo shebella batho ba jive ho la photos ke batho ba tsa le thawe jwang a le ngola pina
it was a hit manje because I even saw your profile Free State hit maker
yeah
and songwriter
yeah yeah, so we did for Shoza le Mamello wa Tears of Joy. Yeah, so I wrote for Shoza, and at that time re le ko studio Reza strike. There was this other guy wa fix back ke mlebetse ke makena ntsane ka di video ka mo a ga man pina e batla Sesotho wa bona ke ye ke tlo ngola ka Xhosa e batla Xhosa pina e wa bona. I was make blackout ile ke tawe ka ngola ne ke tswela lifung after tearsing o nthotse mo Afrotonic ke dutse le na Mamello ranwa re tswela ne re lo support a friend wa bo re dutse mo ranwa bla 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 a phone Afrotonic system ke ka ntle ke tlo lata ke batla ga studio. That time country ya kwalwa o sane COVID ya qala. If you remember for Shoza it trendile how to country ya kwala for Shoza ka boom that time. No ne ke le confused wa bona ke re how recordile pina be re uploada clipinyana ya ko ka kamoreng ka studio wa bona, then clip ya ke yona ele ya wa bona ai nna ke tso senga bo 6 ke thola bo di call e bilo tla ka bo 2 ya mesong batho ba phone yo Coco what you did on that song yo what song guy
only this
talking about I was drunk ke tsa le phone na mabana ka studio Robert bo makeba ka ba phone yo ask Coco yo the song that you did on for Shoza re na for Shoza ke kana Facebook ke ha ke yo Facebook is booming page. Facebook is booming. Twitter is booming. Maporisa is retweeting the video. Jazzy Disciples is retweeting the video. Like, oh my God, what's happening? Where's Alang? Where's Alang? So retweet Maporisa janong. And then after that, in fact, we have a tweet. Mara still ninseksawa batli mapiano because after recording for Shoza I had to tell Afrotonic I'm Mfethu I'm Tankoro I'm Tanko Kaleboa I'm sharp ka ke re sharp nne ke nna ke ntotlo fela mo di phone I know escalator ere wa bona. After that nna ka mtsa Mfethu ke recording no ska tlo lata yesu mpitsetsa mapiano my sister wa nyiwa mo o tla bona after for Shoza o tla bona o tlo etsalang. It was like nkare motho na bontshiwa spiritual re ho tlo etsala eng after the control le ngwana e bua yes exactly
just intro when recording songs like that we've got no sida then uthola ntho yo share jwang jwale was there an agreement there was now
Yeah, only okay with Fohloza there were no body split sheet bo eng ona le ntwana re fela like now studio le sa plana wa bona we usually do that the artist re le bangata re kena bo studio re sa plana like ish ona le pina re batlang ho try blah 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 re batla ho try pina eso wa bona e bontsha za di music business re dinana sele ka morao wa bona hore o lo register ya sele hit khona le bang hey a re lo registerang pina hey contract hey this that wa bona yeah. So after that we recorded Bo Angelina Bo Eng then I met Buhle and Jazzy Disciples through Afrotonic because hantle ne ba batla aspanele bona ho Fohloza ba ne ba batla tsa remix ya Fohloza and then ahana ile nna qeta we thola fame nyana ya ka ba fetho so we can't wabo so a re nkampa ka lefa that vocalist la sebetsa le ena wabo e seng lenke pine ke entseng le ena no ways wabo
remix ya hayetsi mo ka pena e sheba jwang mo ati
ke nana na shebile ka tsela tsa hae wa bona but what's one because after that Jazzy Disciples la arwana after we recorded Tata le Buhle ela arohana so maybe onana le di reasons tsa hae lena gore wena sa batlo spana le
so la qetelletse ma go so etsa mapia
a mona ka dwala mfethu ai ka dwala
ila nka ke was no awena ka Fohloza
no
ka the hits
no abona after Tata and Nyasthandela ka dwala mwa ka dula ka dula mo enta temdimuna samfadi sign orai ska re ha o batla ma piano ska tsama dula ngwana ka mo dula mo ha o no tseba and then I stayed one thing led to another le nna ka qetela se ke ikemetse he ke gai le nna se ke ba vocalist ya ma piano ke tsetse le bitso laka wa bona because he's the one that introduced me to amapiano.
But do no sign under any
no even today I'm not signed anywhere. Mix.
Why?
I don't like I guess it comes with the experience. But somehow nentse ke phela that side Josie. So I saw how the artist ne di tshwarwa ka teng ba bo ka ithuta mo I say the record company ka ofela tse doji wa bona but ke bone hore na career ya artist e loreng e signiwe ha e tshwane le career artist e independent wa bona nna as an independent artist dintho tsa ka di ba slow mara tsa motho a signiweng ntho ngwe le ngwe e tsa ma smooth o rekela koloi o rekela ntlo PR is there management o there ntho ngwe le ngwe di phahlo di jom ntho ngwe le ngwe wa bona so with us independent artists ntho ngwe le ngwe is slow because wa iketsetsa ka tšhelete ya hao
even the promotion
everything and ha di tle di le monate
but una le manager.
I do have a manager, yeah, but I'm still struggling with PR. Most of us are struggling with PR, yeah, because rekwaqwa mfethu wabona rekwaqwa and lebitso le kwaqwa nje le disturb batho ba bangata wabona ha batla PR like no I can't nka su PR o dula qwaqwa you need to come down to Joburg wabona hence we are struggling sometimes ho thola di like marketing ho ntho tsa o di fihle mo di tlameha di fihle teng wabona wabona sometimes you must find motho at that side or this side o tlo jotsa hore o mosebedisa ha bohloko you must relocate hence o tlo bona artists tse ding ntho tsa bona di via sharp o la relocate they took a decision ya relocate wabona ha fihla ntho tsa di a pusheya wabona no now we don't need record companies as such because they exploit the artists that's what thola most of the artists tse kileng tsa signiwa ha ba tswa sa tsuba bo di drugs sa le broke ha sana chelete wa bona yeah because they sugarcoat a lot of things wa bona these companies o hlalanga nga o tswere zaga Muzamaka phone tse turang your crib mo dulang teng o dula in an estate somewhere in Bryanston, in Sandton, in Midrand. The food that you eat, everything that you post on Instagram, it's a lie. It's a lie. They're just selling you your dreams. It's a lie. But how really an independent artist dingata ntho tse ithutang tsona unfortunately ha re tshwaneng una le ba desperate a re o ha ikgale ke bina khathetse ai se batla o signiwa wa bona peke tsentjeng wa bo sometimes o signiwa ke batho ba wrong wa bona yeah
so do you think the artists like the musicians di hloka like management
yes
na una le ba bua ntho tse ba sa tlamang di bua Dala ba sanking dinepe ba re mbona bana na go tshantse ba ke ba etseng do you think tshantse be le motho I tell you no take your time do this I tell short I tell laela dintho tse itseng in order to protect your
yes your brand yes the manager ga di hloka mfetho remember rona Spanish sa rona go ngola re kene studio re bine or re produce wa bona we don't know how to run the streets as artists wabon we do run the streets sometimes because arena choice wabon but hantle as an artist msebenzi wa how go kena studio lo ye ma stage or lo ya able interview bokai but as for who run like your administration you need someone to run your admin someone atlo batlelang body interviews someone atlo batlelang body gigi someone wa bona someone atlo exposing vele wa bona ga ihloka mfethu ga ihloka it's very important yeah
mostly ha ke ba intende especially here ba ditsuwa mo fa nyana sharp
yeah you get exploited by people house na frebo ya ntho tse ngata wa bona ntse ke hlokometseng ga di artist mo Free State we struggle with music business wa bona ra kena studio re bine re stage re lo performer but the music business ke bona bothata that's why o fumana ntho tsa batho tse ding di ba slow wa bona why o kena studio re ke kena lwela studio re lo etsa pina ha re tswa studio ha ona tsebo ya go tlamele o lo register pina and then ha ona tsebo ya di split sheets wa bona nna ntho twenke di split sheets ha ona tsebo ya bo di rights copyrights wa bona bo di royalties di sebetsa jwang so ke engwe ya ntho tla fumana re exploit you because ha rena tsebo ya ntho tseo wa bona
re bona fela so tswa o fona
au khona le
bona fela so hlajwa nzeta tse di ka tse uka fela so shokwa bale ba o nyaka kaofela ba
and also re phamisa ditsebe ka the music business happiness elite if a song is not a hit are da ai ke register like sana taba wa bona
can trend after 5 years
ya ho ka tsahala o ka tsala pina e trend after bo ma 5 years exactly wa bona
can never be felati mara let's go hurry so can you share the experience here how many photos are Lenias Tandela got nominated as the best newcomer for Summers?
Yo. Babana, that moment, Haki Bona Rinyas Tandela has been nominated. Afrotonic has been nominated for best what was it? Best produced song, best song of the year.
Then you come.
Oh yes. I can like a planner outfit that day.
Double fashion, double beauty, double
Kaplana outfit. Since ke nahana hore ish makeup artist. Ho tloetsa hala eng, you know. But before that, it's a lot of work. Remember, you must reach out to people.
SMS couple.
Yeah. You must reach out to people. So Lena was there to assist because I remember I was campaigning go dikolong mo Qwaqwa. I had schools where I was campaigning for Thandela or by Votele, blah 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 blah. That. And then the Afrotonic sighting Helena, he was busy campaigning. Unfortunately with Jemba, you know Jemba, ne? I bom vimbeni nangu my love. No, the guy Okibinale now Thandela.
Oh.
You've heard of him, but you've never seen him. Yeah, he's a soccer player, like he's a professional soccer player. So kana ko lena nalisiko adula Botswana. So we're busy campaigning. Now I was campaigning this side, and then Afrotonic was campaigning go Blomo. Yeah, udula Blomo mara ke ntwana super. Yeah. So the experience was amazing. I remember Mochana le ka hlohlolong mo enele Afrotonic hantle. It wasn't me, but because ke teng pineng Lena, I had to somehow contribute for people to recognize us, recognize the song. So ka campaign eo ke tla ke ntse ke ithutile ntho tse ngata. Okay, this is what you must do when the song it's nominated. You must reach out to people, reach out to kids, because bana ke bona phela baletedi ba ma piano. So ke qadile hona teng dikolong, di primary, the secondaries, the intermediate kaofela wa bona tse khonneng ho fihla ho tsona.
The school principals ne di
sokodisa. Some were arrogant, but there was nothing I could do. How le arrogant phela ke a tsamaya ke a seseng. Remember Qwaqwa na dikolo tse 200 and something. So how nthomela ke a go seseng. Wa bona mara jano utima bana opportunity hore ba ntsebe, utima bana opportunity hore ke ba sharele my light. Wa bona. Yeah.
So experience was good.
It was amazing. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Guys, shop a purple, yo. A purple. That time here, the second stylist. So stylist is like na style na Afrotonic, Amos, Ngosazana daughter. Ne re bangata ba tshwana ba re style wa ke mzala mara. Inele mpintsha Afrotonic stylist seo sa gona seo le ena ke mtsibile ka Afrotonic. And in fact there are a lot of amazing people that I've met through Afrotonic. Yeah. So ka ra tshore o rongwetswe ke modimo hore le ena a tlo tshintsha bophelo ba ka, le nna ke rometswe ke modimo hore ke tlo metsetsa di hit ke tshintsha bophelo ba hae. It happened. I just wish the artists tse ngata di ka learn so much from what we did with Afrotonic. Hore collaboration, it's more important than competition. Rabon. Ha ka ithuta fela ntweo because no mo Free State o molomong o hulela khoneng ya hae. But I love the pace re movang ka yona. No jenana jwale he country ya recognize as Free State. No, ganti di artists tsa Free State di etsa music o mnate so ho sona le bo Free Strata. Entsweng ke inventweng ke 2.1. So I think they're going to include everyone who's interested, who's keen to be part of the Free Strata genre. Wabo, ke genre hantle. I think ke genre. It's a movement. Wabo.
So when I experience how working the artists did like people like Jesse Disciples ne jwa.
It was nice. It was nice. Unfortunately, I got to bua hampe, but the artists tsa Jozi ha re tshwane. Artists tsa Jozi le tsa mo ha di tshwane. Wa bona. Artists tsa Jozi ha di tlile ka mo. Bana lo ba le di entitlements nyana tse snacks. Wa bona. Tsa hore maybe rona because re ka mo re batla re le fatshenyana ka maemo, you know. Somehow that was the treatment I got from Buhle herself. But at the end of the day, we had to keep the tickets. I mean, we had to keep the show going. Wabo, recorded Pina, Raspane. Yeah, after that, I push it back.
So what was the biggest achievement career path in how your music team?
Obviously, it was Nyastandila. Yo, I don't know, hey. Nyastandila, this wave. I don't know, this wave, man. It's a little kubunyana leling. Lafisha. Lata fasilanki Saudi. It was an achievement. I've achieved a lot, but with Nyastandela, ke bone ntate Modimo a fetola ntho tse ngata. Ke bone ka Nyastandela ke bone hore ntate Modimo wa phela. Ntate Modimo teng ke bone ka Nyastandela. Kwana ne ke bona ntate Modimo entse show off. Wa bona? Because remember it's a Free State and sometimes re ba forgotten by people. No, you can't work with Mapurisa simply because Ozwa Kwakwa, Ozwa Free State. You can't work with Mamang because Ozwa. So somehow Nyastandela e provile point ho di artists tse ngata tsa kantle ho batho ba bangata ho ba kantle. You don't need someone who's yeah. Ona na really the game changer mfetho ka COVID. Re change game. Change down. Game ya change.
So what advice will you give someone eleng yena now career path ya music abona breakthrough?
Arrogance. Every day as Gugu Kileso, I see a lot of arrogance in a lot of artists that are booming, that are currently booming. Not all of them, but arrogance, ekoswaki fame. Hore, I'm the shit now. So everyone is gonna bow down because now I'm the shit. You understand? And then they forget what we are doing popcorn music. Pina trender today. Camera 5 days. Ma 2K bansa. What's that ma 2K? Yeah, batho ba danger. Batho ba kotsi hampe ba Oscar. Oscar.
iPhone phela motsa trenda. Tsakala iPhone.
Bana tshwere sentinepe tse ntsweng. Yeah, I think arrogance ke yona e di young artist ne. Remember nakwe o career o ereng nakwe o blower bang. You are all over the phone with batho. Your voice, your songs, you know. Then no so bale ntwane ya hore eish a sa khona dula le boz mamang wa bona. Remember, you can't forget where you come from, but yes, una batho ntso ka ba cutting off along the journey, but not everyone wa bona. So problem ya di artists are no ke arrogance. They forget hore retsa mapiano. It's popcorn music. You are booming today, tomorrow it's over. Hype ya pina e fedile. Do you have any plan after hype ya pina e fela? Remember sona le bo TikTok no. Wa bona pina hao e kan tswa fela ke pina mpe
ka dance.
Senyokeza nezija. Hai. Wena kana ko ubine Ubine your lungs out. Go studio. Wabon. And then all of a sudden, Pina house and swaggy. Pina trendelang kwa TikTok. Famous. Ya kala ba famous so ba arrogant o so kgetha le batho ba tlang bina le bona studio ga o sa batla bina le mang ka pomang wena so le standarding sa bo Kabza the Small o so batla lo bina le bo Kabza the Small le bo Mahu e batla o feletswa ha o sa batla o ya shopong ha o sa batla o ya shopong ha o ya shopong o roma batho ko sting ha o kena sting o kenya body mask ha o sa batla o boniwa
yo ba so ke decide ke ile bana tlo escort abena
enough ma atlo escort
ba mona ba tshwanjwa le sting bona ba tshwanetse
ba rona le batho ba escortwang
so look bana ba sekolo ke ba ne ba mtlhetsa holo so no je se dihiti ya maluti mane molo mane se tshantse tle to thiba ke tsena se na haibo
kanjani manje jwang you know what ne ntwe e ya fela ka gore wena we handle jwang you know fame is not a serious thing asn't twe serious haholo wa tla jwale hey wa bona asn't twe serious the way rona re batlang e be ka teng wa bona na ntse tshuntshe ke ya shopong ke kgalletse di keep ke ya shopong ke reke di keep ke kgalletse mashwamshwam ha ke na taba le bona ke ba fa ba batla dinepe ke ba fa ke tshwere ma keep aka if ke batla o tswa maybe ke kgalletse zolo ke ya hose name man is fing ke aya I'll walk I don't have a car
also ha o se go thola
ha ke na V-class mfetho re tlankisa ke lo reka ma keep yeah
you know how do you manage attending the gigs
I book we usually book cars. Not all of us have cars. Ntwe bana social media mo mango rekile V-class ke maka just to draw just to draw attention ya lona le bona okay wa pusha wa bona bona le bana leng tsona bona le ba snang tsona a lot of us don't have those fancy cars. Now I drive a Ford Fiesta and I'm okay with it. I'm okay. Yeah, I drive sometimes. I drive myself sometimes. Ke friend ya ka phela ke na le problem ya loto ke ka shapwa ke stroke so sometimes I struggle. Yeah.
What happened? Look o tshwane ka body ya strike. You are just
no, it's ke salmnyane hampe for stroke la bantho tse za Sotho wa bona so ka tla ma go ke dile ka yona fast and then ke vai body physio eng ne ke sna bo stress bo le fula pelo o na le training depressor no na ga motho a molang maemo mfetho ntho a ke sna yona ke na yona
so the thing ha ya
in fact na iPhone a ke na yona ke to stressa ka hore na ke bina mapiano mara ke na iPhone
ke go bana mfuteng le sendela tsona ka WhatsApp le etsa ba
wa tsela feeling eo o khomela ke motho wa iPhone
drop fela e bola re ya go ba phone ya ke rekile ha yetse video call ya WhatsApp o bana ka FaceTime o bana ka FaceTime. So now you balance the life of being a parent and life in a restaurant.
No, when I'm home, my kids understand. Like I've got 2 kids, ne. So ba hakili siko ke tla ba sala le old lady laka, wa bona. So like they're used to this even before my famous alentse ke le motho travelang ke lo perform. Taba di bookings e ka kala bona ka mapiano. I've been getting bookings perform aboka ntle Durban, Mozambique, Marakeng bo Blomo, Josie, abo yeah asale nje ke le motho ai
wena a nga approach but
no I approach like a lot of people because remember that time I was not famous so I had to go and reach out to club owners, park owners, and then I'd reach out to some of my friends ba ke tsebang hore ba atumelana le batho ba nang le wa bona ba itshwereng wa bona ho ga ba etsa yeah spend yeah so taba ya ho performa ha se ntho e ke qadileng no ke tswa bo di staging tse kgolo mfetho ke tswa bo 46664 ke tswa bo Cherry Festival ke tswa bo Standard Bank Joy of Jazz go Cape Town a lot yo jazz ya patala le 100 stina wa ithola a itshwane le mapiano ngmona na ke bukathane mara ga phela re tla reng
series fela no je cause jwale tsebele le di artists se di ga bone
yeah amapiano is congested, it's too congested. Ha o ka go batla o tseba motho o mtseba today o sane so ke no mong fashioneng so how to get music wa evolve ne. And in as much as we evolve, honestly, amapiano like industry in South Africa is so congested. So rata fela pina sana tabale motho ai pinang. It's the same thing that happened with me. A lot of people know me as Thandela, but they don't know the face. So the song is bigger than me. It's bigger than Afrotonic.
So now after all those things, do you think attention when they thola during those time those songs is a lisi go kapai there's only footprint whereby there are gigs now that you get because of Thandela.
No, go my piano as long as you release songs. It's not only about Pina Eune, but Pina Eune is an asset. Whether ke release pina tse 10 mara mo ke lo performang le a ka tlameha o isia bana ke yone ba ntsebileng ka yona wa bona. And then le taba ya hore na pina like hype ya pina ha fela, people forget you. Yes, it's true. Batho ba o lebala when that hype e fela, but not all of them. Remember, we have different types of fans. Ne rena le balatedi ba fapaneng hona le your true fans like Luna, you are Kokwa's finest, right? Hosane how to alsa leo hona ba tshwantse ba tlo le latella ba mfetho go pa le khutleleng gona ai why mara wa bona wa bona so thola bo betsalang ga sa thola next ya Luna wa bona. So hona le di fan le gona ho jwalo. When you as long as you release music, badula ba shebile. When you've got gigs, they go to your gigs. Those are your true fans. If o release pina e be sa tla ka level ya nenya Thandela, they'll still love you, they'll still support you, they'll still listen to your music. And then ho be le di fans ho be le di wave rider. The wave rider ke fenitsane tse tla reng wa trenda ba tla o poster ba etsa mferefere gugu ramtse ba ke ngwana kasi ke ngwana qada la ke hoselena ke kana sekolo lena wa bona. Those are wave riders. When the hype ya pina e fela, then they start forgetting about you wa bona. And then ho be le di monitoring spirits. They know you are there, you exist. You release music videos, the visuals how you do all of these things. Asabaitsang ke ba le ba kenang body story ba sheba. They don't like, they don't react. They just stay to watch your now call them the monitoring spirits because everything we etsang by monitor wa bona. Ba hona le di fans tsa tse dulang di story fela. When I think they don't exist ba teng ba sheba re batla bona bekeng enana Kokwa's finest episode ya bona ba tlisa mang re batla bona ba tlo fella kae ka ntwena ya bona ena. So there are different types of followers wa bona. Hona le followers tsa story, hona le ba following in reality, ba follow social media like they're just there wa
Na
bona
le kopanang le bona
ba bang o mong ha o mo tsebe mara o dula bona sefahleho sena na digiging motho o kene ka 100 rand o tlo nshebella o solo performa bo kae kae ke yo motho wa bona o poster eng he's the first to like he's the first to comment o dula etsa bo di-screenshot tsa dipina tsa o tso qetang ho di ntsha hore ke teng wa streamer wa downloader o di etsa kaofela those are your true fans batho tla reng lo sana o ka thwe o wele ke bona batho ba tlo motivate ba o kenetse beng hore mfethu mamela re ratile mapiano ka baka la hao so ha o tlo re sia fela wa bona
ba ebile ba ba se
ba banya ba o bona ba tla shoota bo dinepo we love you they pretend oh my god we love your music oh lo performa ka re kopa ticket tsa mahala oh
ratang bio
kopa ticket tsa mahala ha o fihla VIP yo kopa ntshella dash hle kopa ntshella oh I was watching you mabani ke bona poster eng those are fucking pretenders. Yeah, and then ho be le bane ba di monitoring spirits ba tula ba katile nthongwe lengwe hao postang ba shebile ma they'll never react they'll never comment they'll just listen to your songs neng ba utlwile ka mamang hore o release tsa re kutla ka kutla pina e reng ke re mutlo yena eo le rata pina eo mara di story ba shebile ba teng. Yeah, so we have different. You just have to know when we're like you must know your people. Yeah.
So what was the best advice Ole Tolang in your life? It's a women empowerment.
Plus it's my birth month, so ke rata ba active. Mo na leng basadi le mpitseng.
Women empowerment.
Mo na leng body charity le mpitseng.
So what was the best advice Ole Tolang in the code? Also phela ka yona o tshwara no tshela ka ba thatha bo kae ha o tsotso ho pula that code wake up.
The best advice e kileng ka e fumana was stay in your lane, run your own race at your own pace. Hey, understand ka mara pace, run your own race wa bona. Then ka understand ha se ke le ka hare mona mapiano hore okay ga bangata holo mara jwanong ha ka tla mo mathisana le bo mahu. Remember na hona le batho ke fihleng pele bona piano mara se ba mathisitse dipere se ba le dim wa bona. And somehow as an artist ntsho ya nyahamisa wena bona ka reng okay abamponi batho se ba shibane le mahu le mangmang a fihlang bo ke mang ke thatohatsi re bangata ke re di vocalists so o qala o nyahama wa bona until ha o tsebe di struggles tsa bona ke re wena ntho tso di bona social media wa bona. But now ke ngwana Josie ke ngwana kwakwa ke ngwana Josie. So ke ithutile ntwe ya hore ha o le studio wa sheba ha o dutse le Amos kapa o dutse le mang wa sheba motho rena o tsa ntho tsa isoso o le na marona le mo struggling teng wa bona. Oh, Kabza the Small, he's the king of amapiano. Mara le ntsana di struggles tsa hae. So everyone in the music industry ona di struggles tsa hae re ka se fihle mane ka nako e one. Babo sanso nobel gona batlang slow then hona le di popcorn artists o booma today ka usane cause o mong o struggle one hit wonder o mong o struggle ho ingolla wa bona. So that's what la thola batho ba mo wa bo o buti ka voice mara ka mona na hantswembo wa bona. So re na le struggles tsa rona ka o fapana wa bona. Nana only struggle go re I'm struggling with PR. The rest in Memphis took sharp. I don't wanna complain. Because I sang as Tandela, I must keep up with the momentum. Maybe give away to 20 climate bekating. But how am Shankit language fetch? If Naketla Lobina, when I'm talking to make it chinchabo pillow high, musically so. Yeah, when I'm talking to Bonner and Apillo, I keep it as well. Because if Naketla Lobina, ke tlo qala ke be le my record company kapo ke be le studio saka. That's my main dream right now.
And uplifting.
Yeah, mfethu ke sono bana ba bangata qoqa talent e ngata, but now ha bana access ya a good studio with good quality. Wa bona o mongwe recorda ka miking ya no fedileng sponsor seyo a ke re bitsa di condenser so gawile soundproof ya we entse ka ntwena ya mahe wa bona. Yeah, but let me tell you something, the heat hantle di tswa di studio ntseo.
Yes ka di laptop nyana
the heat hantle di tswa hona mo wa bona. Yeah, just to fella after also tsibsahala, you just have to understand the discipline hore keng. But let me tell you something, we are all struggling, all of us. Hana mthatlo re yo nna ke artist, yo nna ke phela ha mnate, yo nna this, yo nna that. No, we all have our struggles ka tsela tsa rona. Wena tla bo dutse mo shebile gore maphorisa o le ena wa bua o na lo struggle ka management, o na lo struggle ka eng. Everyone o beile hope ya hae hodima hae yena maphorisa wa bona, and of which ke pressure le ena ho yena because le ena o na le di struggles tsa hae. Just that re ka se understand why, because he's always associated with hit makers wa bona. Yeah.
So far so good. Do you have any questions, man? You don't? No, when I came, feel like we didn't touch. Oh no, like I feel we touch. I feel to the community, monana. But tabayi.
Hi, what's another to eke batlang ho tasha haholo ke taba ya gatekeeping. Yeah. Like gatekeeping is so serious, guys, that ra ignore ra bona iteng mara ha rena taba le yona wa bona. Like gatekeeping in like haholo in Free State, KZN ba shapo ka qomi ya bona ba supportana, and the event tsa bona 80%
batla ba utsiba
ke bona, di gigging tsa bona ke bona, and then 20% he ba tlola tsa di artists tsa bo Josi bo kae wa bona. You go to Limpopo le bona they dominate wa bona ka di event tsa bona. Ho qalwa ka bo King Monada, bo Makhazi, bo Shebe, bo mang, and then le Josi bana le di artists tsa bona ba iketsetsa ntho ya bona. Hona, what's the problem mo Free State? What's the problem with Alang? What is the problem?
And all people are try we
Yeah, no, keep on trying. I know it's hard. I know it's hard.
Signal the followers. Why should Mamel those talk?
Yeah, and you know happen. My problem is with the event organizers, ne? They give too much credit to these artists and then they forget about the local artists. Oshaba the event is Free State, 80% they're the headliner. Okay, but and then the headliners at one thing. Kiban be batsang ga yo o ntswembu haholo wa bo kwa Free State o ntswembu haholo mo tlamele a be teng wa bona. But what about bana ba hlokang platform eo? What about bona? Ka mantswe mang platform eo ba tla thola ha se ba blow up ile. What if they don't blow up ka nako eo? Wa bona, who's going to give them to platform eo recognition eo ba tlo thola ho mang? So hence ke re nna ke batla ho ba a hope to a lot of these unknown artists, because I've seen their struggles. They have beautiful music, but they don't have access to good studios. They don't have access to quality. Habana knowledge ya ntho tse ngata. You understand? So I wish that them dimlena ka mfamatla ka chincha maphelo a bana ba Free State, because everyone ka ga Free State una ha ke qeta blow up ke vaya ke Josi, because ke tseba da ke tlo ba sharp, and which is true. Now I don't blame them. Lena I've gone through the same thing. Kare after nya thandela nna ke vaya ke re ka sia bana tabaleng, so ke vaya. But that's the problem. How feel that site? How feel that site? Also, tlameha khutla o tle hae. They're like, ha khutlela kwana. So na strategy sa ka ke sa balance. I'm 50% in Jozi, I'm 50% ko Qwaqwa. Ke a balance. If ke na le ditholwana tsa ka tse ke di jetseng that side, ke atla ke tlo kotula ka mo. Wa bona. Ke tlo spread that knowledge ya ka le nna ka mo le ko studio ngo. This is how you write pina ya 3 step. This is how you write what's working private piano, or this is how you write skija. Yes, this is how you write le compo. This is how you write this and that. So gatekeeping ya Free State mfethu is serious to a point hore di artists tsa ka kwa le bona se ba dula ba le relax ba tseba ha di re September ho ya kwa ha ba tlo re phone la bana ba Free State di gig re tlo di thola ka mo wa bona. Mara are ithuti from bo tira le bo mang hore when they do the event, whether you like it or not, ba tlo qala ka batho ba bona and the event tsa bona di ba successful because ba thola le support from the Department of Arts and Culture. Ba dula ba partnerile le the Department of Arts and Culture. So rona ka mo ntho ngwe le ngwe is slow ke gatekeeping. Ha Guguma so perform me last week, ha rona re ka se mo booki this week, ha o perform me kae re ka se mo booki mo wa bona. Le
tse ding tse ngata tsa ka sa tlo di bua tse tsala. But we come to the end of our episode and we are thankful haholo re lebile boteng ba hao.
Hle before ke vaya ke tlo release my single is titled Kataleya, and then after Kataleya ke tlo ntsha EP ya ka ne. Now here's the thing, ke hlaetswe ke bohloko ngwaneso. There's a guy ke binang lena ho song Kataleya. He passed on like 4 days ago. So ne ke batla fela jwetsa batho go ba support ya lona hle bathong. Go ba support ya lona a se dipina kaofela tse tlo trendang ko TikTok. Lona le batla go supporta fela bana re trenda bo TikTok. Motho ha sa trendi TikTok ha lena taba le ena. And not all of us are making music for TikTok. So ko pala re supporting, and may his soul rest in peace. Ke Black Teas from Harrismith. Yeah, let's yetsana then ya ba wa re sia. So ntse ke kopa fela nna ke kopa support. Ke tlo etsa tour, ke tlo etsa a national tour. Ke tlo qala I think more Free State. From here I'm heading to Limpopo and Northwest, and then Gauteng province.
After the EP?
No, not after the EP. Ke tlo release this Kataleya song. So ke yona eketsang tour ya teng. After that then ke tlo qala ke etse EP ya ka mara le yona se le ready. Then after EP ke tlo ntsha album, le yona album se ntse le ready. Everything is ready.
It's ready. Dilo di nametse entry bana.
Yebo.
Sport mode.
Yebo, shout out to God's Finest.
No, ka go sendela le rona re no poster man di
Yes, definitely. Definitely. I'm gonna make sure I share the song. Ke tlo release towards the end of June. Yeah, towards the end of June, it will be said because the art cover, let me show you the art cover. Because invite anyway, so I might as well show you the art cover. It's beautiful. Ian Tweke, Sugar Eve Media. Okay, yeah. Magnificioso.
The exclusives. Exclusives, man. Exclusive.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Little stream,
Please.
Spotify, iTunes too.
Yeah, Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music, zonke bonke. And then Kitenko Instagram is Gugu RSA, and Facebook is Gugu_life. It's in your life, LIVE. Yeah, and then on TikTok it's Gugu_Nyasthandila.
Akasateba ngotama yete mame ke mantsa ka tsastabo bua mafosi ha ke le teng na uduma koti tshwara mosadi a tlwele mogosi re tla di bona sane tsa bagoti basadi ba tletse ba tswa joshi ska ba tshwana na tshwere di khosi le mino boyetsa ngokwa ditsotsi ba menuka ya tlisetse tosi ke chese sigara ngotsweng khotli. Nowadays I'm kind of feeling godly. Tabula seta ke chese slowly. Ntsandi mali phela ngintete costi. Him tshwere ntwana I'm feeling godly.
Utshwere boza mabebeza come duze. Lefa ntsola lam rapper don't lose it. Take all over take two the I choose it. No rush when I sweetie hata booty. Fully vodka ntwana gazi vela sip shot. Uzokhokha if you acting kinda good guy. Started water we just wanna have some good times. Harero bale na magang ntwana all night. I'm everywhere you go, yellow born MTN. I know they feeling cold, but to heal it, but to head. I'm not short when I sweetie music is dance. If you wanna party with me, gotta understand.
I chop money with a blender like a shredder, eat you like a cheddar. This is so creamy. I take you on the repertoire. I'm taller than the Eiffel Towers, running faster than Keston. Jenge koli zogu minya kata lete kahusinya.
Besa tabalana petit boss. Isn't just me over there, but pussy vodka. Why you dancing like you wanna do? Come over. Sahla sala marabella uzokoka. My baby's a tabalana petit boss. Isn't just me over there, but pussy vodka. Why you dancing like you wanna do? Come over. Sahla sala marabella uzokoka. Petit boss, sweetie petit boss. Petit boss, sweetie petit boss. Petit boss, sweetie petit boss. Sahla sala marabella uzokoka. Petit boss, sweetie petit boss. Petit boss, sweetie petit boss. Petit boss, sweetie petit boss. Sahla sala marabella uzokoka.
Mizute no hadi ya fati. Sale ke tata udimale fati. Batole mala no hukuwa di kasi.